Welcome to learning Arabic made easy. Arabic alphabet, letters with Damma. In this video, we will practice the alphabet pronunciation with the short vowel Damma. Damma is an apostrophe-like shape written above the letter, which precedes it in pronunciation. It is equivalent to the short vowel U in English. Before we begin, it is important to mention that Alif is a special letter in Arabic and it doesn't take any short vowels such as Fatha, Damma, or Kasra. Letters with Damma. Bu, Tu, Thu, Ju, Hu, Khu, Du, Dhu, Ru, Zu, Su, Shu, Su, Du, Tu, Dhu, Au, Ghu, Fu, Qu, Ku, Lu, Mu, Nu, Hu, Wu, Yu, U. Let's practice. I read, you repeat after me. Bu, Tu, Thu, Ju, Hu, Khu, Du, Dhu, Ru, Zu, Su, Shu, Su, Du, Tu, Dhu, Au, Ghu, Fu, Qu, Ku, Lu, Mu, Nu, Hu, Wu, Yu, U. Finally, I encourage you to subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay up to date with my latest videos.